What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Poco X6 Pro and the Poco X6 smartphone to see which device is going to be better in performance and daily usage in terms of the benchmarking test score results. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So these are the applications we got today here on our Poco X6 Pro and the Poco X6. We have already performed all of these tests to save our time, and we will just have a quick look on the test score results. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu benchmark. So the Poco X6 Pro 5G scored 1.130518 million points and the Poco X6 5G scored 625,350. So as you can see, the Poco X6 Pro is scoring nearly twice of what we are getting on Poco X6. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and in CPU, somehow the performance of Poco X6 is better compared to X6 Pro, but in rest of the test, GPU, memory and UX performance of Poco X6 Pro 5G is way better compared to Poco X6, especially if we are talking about the GPU score. And our main concern is the overall score, and in that Poco X6 Pro is scoring more points compared to Poco X6. Now let's have a look on Geekbench 6. So this test is divided in two parts, CPU and GPU, and once again the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. Poco X6 Pro scored 1500 in single core and 4751 in multi-core, while Poco X6 5G scored 593 in single core and 2645 in multi-core. So once again the winner is Poco X6 Pro. It is scoring nearly 3 times more points in single core and nearly twice in multi-core. If we go to the GPU test score result, in that Poco X6 Pro scored 5140 and Poco X6 5G scored 1753. So once again the Poco X6 Pro is scoring nearly thrice of what we are getting on Poco X6 5G. So once again the winner is Poco X6 Pro. The 3D Mark application was blocked on my Poco X6 Pro, so I was not able to run it to compare it with Poco X6, but I would like to just give you the score of Poco X6 here, and we can expect the performance of Poco X6 Pro to be better as well, because as we have seen in AnTuTu benchmark, it was scoring nearly 5 times of what Poco X6 scored. So of course, being a pro and flagship smartphone in the Poco X6 series, the performance of Poco X6 Pro is going to be better compared to the Poco X6, but as you can see, Poco X6 is also very powerful smartphone in its price segment. But if you want to get better performance out of your device, then Poco X6 Pro is the better option for you. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.